All right, guys, we Jeep Fixers, we are working on a 2007 Jeep Wrangler, so it's a JK. We pulled this motor out because it completely seized up. We couldn't turn it. It was in a river when it died, so down in Moab, so hydrolocked. We want to show you what's going on with this. Check this out. So we're going to go out into the intake. And I just wanted to show you the fish that are swimming around in here that is completely filled with water. In there, you see the water kind of moving around. I also want to show you, where is that hole at? Right over there.
No,
Right here, opposite side of the engine, there is a hole. Right, let's see if we can get a picture here. Right there. Right through the side of the block, where the rod snapped, piston rod snap went through it. So that damaged the block, damaged the upper oil pan, and it damaged the lower oil pan too. See that right there. So this is why, awesome reason why. Do you ever decide to take your Jeep through a river? While it's best to get out and walk through it first. You know, something like this, I don't have the bill totally worked out, but I think this is in the $4,500 range for not, you know, because the river was just too deep, or it wasn't actually too deep. You actually went just through it too fast. So that's what's that's what's going on.
It's 6 because need new intake and
Yeah.
block and
use a snorkel.
Yeah, this is why you need a snorkel.
Snorkel.
Snorkel. Why snorkels are good. Or go through the river much slower, or avoid it altogether. That's kind of what's going on there. So right here, again, completely filled with water. This engine, I did pull the spark plugs out before we got this far. Spark plugs were wet, and the engine does not crank at all. All right, Jeep Fixers, stay off your tops and stay out of the water.